Hey guys, I'm Jane Hughes, makeup artist. I am here with my mate Taylor. We're gonna do a kind of metallic-y, glossy textured eye, quite editorial. Taylor can take a lot of makeup in my opinion because she's got amazing eyelashes, so I'm gonna do a really cool textured eye.
That's cool.
Do it. I'm gonna use a product from Chantecaille called Soul. We used actually a different thing for this to create the look for the campaign. We used the new Hourglass scattered lights. And they're kind of similar but different. And it's nice because you've got loads of variation, loads of option. That's Space and K, which is why I love it so much. Close your eyes.
Same.
Shut up. Look down all the way. So I'm just gonna press this into the skin on the lid. And I'm actually not using a primer. I'm using really just the natural oils that are on your eye to let it kind of stick. And it may crease throughout the day, but I'm gonna make it glossy anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna take this brush and really optimize the space on the lid. Bring it that way. And just press it on. Anything loose-ish, you should always try and use a flat brush. Anything fluffy will flick pigment around. But this is such an amazing color. It's like yellow in some light and then pink in other lights. But I'm not gonna wet the brush because it doesn't really need it right now. It's nice and warm in here.
I never wear colors like this. I'm
Really?
excited. Yeah.
Colors like this definitely like catch the light, and the more that you build it on the sort of more rounder part of the eye where the pupil is, the better it will look. Like you just really just pack it on. And then with my fingertip, close, I'm just going to press on more. Because I like to use a brush first and then my fingertip to just deposit more colour, more product. The warmth of your fingertip will pick up differently than brush will. I'm just going to build it. So major, this colour. I'm going to use a lip gloss straight over. This is called Time Warp from Lipstick Queen. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand.
I'm very excited about this.
Do a tiny
This is
bit.
like your signature thing, I feel like.
I love a glossy lid. I'm going to take that same brush and pick up some of that texture. So it's going to read really glowy and glistening. Stay there. I'm just going to pop it right in the middle. And the same on the other side. And it will crease. It's supposed to. It's funny, the amount of people that come on my Instagram or ask me in real life at events and things is, how do you stop an eyelid from a lid gloss from creasing? I'm like, you physically cannot stop it from happening. It's supposed to happen. It's like part of the beauty of it.